Good morning. Today we are going to see the topic is user defined function. So in previous we will see on the built-in function. Next we will see on the user defined function. You can also create functions as per your needs. Such functions created by the user are known as user defined function. The execution of a C program begins from the main function itself. This is the general information to all of you know. When the compiler encounters function's name with a semicolon, control of the program jumps to the next level and the compiler starts executing the code inside the function name. The control of the program jumps back to the main function once code inside the function define is executed. This is how the user defined function is works. Hash includes studio.h, void function name, give some, this is the basic syntax. Some statements are there and then in main functions and then function name with semicolon. This is the general. What is the advantage of defining user defined function? And the first one is that the program will be easier to understand, maintain and debug, reusable codes that can be used in other programs. A large program can be divided into smaller modules, hence a large project can be divided among many programmers. We can easily, this is the main advantage, we can easily complete the complete the work or project. And what are the elements available in the user defined function? And the first one is the function declaration, function call, and the third one is the function definition. So what does the use of function declaration? It informs the compiler about the function name, a function parameter, and return values and data types. What is the use of function call? This calls the actual function itself. And the function definition, this contains all the statements to be executed. What are the statements we have to execute that will contain the function definition itself? So here give the syntax of each element. And the first one is the function definition, return type, function name, arguments list, and then body of the function. This is usual. And the second element is function call. A function call, what is the syntax is a function name, argument list. In function definition, in front of function name we will define the return type, and the function call no need to define the return type. And last, the semicolon is there in function call. And the function declaration, return type, a function name, argument list with the semicolon. This is the some syntax be used in the function elements. Here already say the elements: function definition, function call, function declaration. So a function definition is an independent program module that is specially written to implement the requirements of the function. To use this function, we need to invoke it at a required place in the program. This is known as the function call. The program that calls the function is referred to as the calling program or the calling function. This calling function or a program should declare any function that is to be used later in the program. This is known as the function declaration. So next we want this function declaration. Like variables, all functions in a C program must be declared before they are invoked. A function declaration, also known as function type. This function prototype consists of 4 parts. First one is the function type or return type, function name, parameter list, terminating with semicolon. These there are code in the following format: function name, function type, function name, parameter list. This is the very similar to the function header line except the terminating with semicolon. Thank you.